Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to add multiple videos on TikTok. So for that you must first have TikTok app and you must be logged in. I already have both, so I'm going to directly go and tap on my TikTok app. Now you'll have to go and tap on profile icon at the bottom right. So once you tap on the profile icon, you'll reach this page where you'll have to tap on the plus icon at the center end. Now you'll have to go and tap on upload, and once you tap on upload you'll have to go and tap on videos. So now select the videos that you want to upload. So I'm gonna select 3 of the videos, then tap on next. Here you can see how the videos have merged itself, but in case you want to change the structure of the videos, you can go and tap just below the download icon. When you tap on that option, you'll reach this page. So here you have various options. You can rearrange your videos, you can split your videos, you can increase or decrease speed, you can add voice effects, increase or decrease the volume. You also have options of to mute it and unmute it. So there are various options. You can also add video effects. There are various options here. Once you're done, you can tap on save option at the top right and you come to this page. You can see how the videos have rearranged themselves. So now you can tap on next option. Now it's on you if you want to post it, or you can even save it on drafts. That is how you add multiple videos on TikTok. So that is it for today. Thank you for joining in. I hope the video was helpful. We'll be back with more videos. Until next time, bye bye.